Vlogmas day to you. So I haven't felt like I want to have vlogged alone a lot. Two vlogged on my phone. This is all on my phone because Destiny has the camera and I don't have it. We need another one. I would say that we do. Comment down below which one we should get. But I'm here in my sister's room again. Don't mind the mess. She has like a canvas. She just bought a brand new TV, so it's a little messy. But yeah, new Vlogmas video is up and I'm really excited because I don't know, it was just nice and it was really cute because my sister texted me and said, look, it's Auntie Liz, and she put it on, and so she's like, she wanted to watch us on like the big TV, so that was really cute. If you want to proceed, they do have your phone. Working, taking a little break. I have more coffee because why not? A little Christmas cup to get in the spirit, and I had to get my AG1 athletic greens. If you don't know about it, it is amazing. For the day, I'm just gonna like work, hang out, and then Destiny and I have a little date night tonight, and I'm really excited. I feel like we haven't really gone on a date in a while, so we have a reservation. I have no idea where it's at, so I also love a good surprise, so we'll be seeing her later today. And yeah, then tomorrow is the day that we start building. I'm like excited now. At first I was dreading it. I did not want to do this at all, but I'm kind of excited. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work and I will... Hello! I made it back home. Well, Destiny just got here and I'm bringing my stuff inside, but this is a mess. But she got some goodies. I'm so excited. Do you see all that? I can't wait. I cannot wait. I can't wait. But yes, we're at my mom's house and we're leaving. We are getting the tools that were here. Destiny came to pick me up, and then we got all of our tools are here at my mom's house in the garage. So getting all the toolbox and everything that we need to do some building. I'm excited now. I am. And then we're just driving not too far to my Nana's house and gonna get it done there. Reason being is that my mom lives in like a condo complex apartment thing, and like we don't have a driveway, so we just want to like a driveway to all this, and the only place she has one right now is my Nana. All right, so our kitchen is being demolished. Removing everything. Goodbye, piece of crap. Let me know. Oh, Christmas coffee! I'm so excited. I knew I saved it for Christmas. If you're in San Diego area, go to Altrea. It's our friend's coffee shop. But how cute is this Christmas coffee? Christmas Vancation blend with a cute little van. I love it so much. It's from Zoncola, Mexico. Altrea. Support small businesses. My kitchen. This is why. Look at this. This is how our kitchen is coming. So you told you things are connected. You can just yank it. Yeah, but it's not. You said that. Don't remember the sink here. I did use an actual screwdriver. You want a screwdriver? Drywall. Wow. Careful. Got it? Yeah. Bye, kitchen wall. Hello, front cab. Let's just leave the sink like this. And then you can wash your hands from the back, from the front. Woo! So Destiny moved that whole spot. I didn't catch that. It's disgusting on the floor. And she's now just ripping things apart. Fun. This is the makeshift that we had to do because our sink was way too big. This is just wood, right? On top of it. And where's the other piece that you just, you threw it? We had to place these here so that we could, I don't even remember. This was our front face, so it looked like a good kitchen.
Wow, so beautiful.
So beautiful. The lies we tell. This, look at the floor. Ugh, underneath our sink. Disgusting. So, I'm now at a new house. I'm down the street though. Look at this lighting. Whoa. Please excuse that. I'm here at my Nana's house. We are building here right now. We are unbuilding, I guess you would say. We decided to fully... What am I saying? Hello, friends. Alright. So, a little sit down chit chat. So, I am reunited with Destiny. She actually just got in the shower right now. And because we were just tearing apart our kitchen. Really exciting though. We cannot wait to take you guys all along with us. We're going to do more of actually building and that tomorrow. But tonight, we decided to rip it apart. Not decided. We planned. Like, we knew we were going to do this. So, we're ripping everything out. It was so gross, so dirty. I got some clips of just like how it looked like underneath. It was just disgusting. Some parts were like broken off. We just like easily flimsy, and that's the whole reason we're remodeling our kitchen. But crazy. It's been, when do we build it? March? No, we are actually going on a little date tonight, and I will take you along for the most part. I don't know where we're going, so that's exciting. Actually, she just told me right now, because I said, what do I wear? Like, where are we going? But she just said we have reservations at 8:30, and we're going to a speakeasy. So excited. I've never been to one, so I'm really excited. So, she's in the shower. I'm gonna get ready. And yep, then we're gonna get going. Okay, so I'm ready. I think I'm gonna wear this. This is like extremely out of my comfort zone. Every time I think, oh, these are high-waisted, but like, I don't know if I have a long, I don't know. But this is here, and I just thought I was throwing this over so I can, like, you know, cover it. I don't know. I will show you what it looks like out. It's a really cute top, and soon I will not be as self-conscious. But like, this is really cute. I just have, like, you know, whew, I can't. I even, yeah, no, I don't know. Yeah. Should I wear this? I don't know. I feel kind of cute, but like, I feel kind of rolly. And then we're going to be sitting down and eating. So, I don't know. I wish this was longer, and I would love this shirt. Like, I'm living for it. I don't even know if I will show this online because, oh my god. Ugh. This also, look at the scar. Insane, right? Scar right there. That is because my beautiful dog decided to scratch me. Like she was trying to jump up on me and scratch me like sometimes I was trying to teach her to give a hug, and so she scratched me, and then it like just, I have a scar there now. So I literally will always have coffee with me. I think there's 2 little dots. I went like that. Not on purpose, but it's okay. But yeah. The back, like, can't the back be as long? I don't know. We might have to change the top. But I am, like, from afar, super cute, yeah? Super cute. But that's about it. And then I thought throwing the jacket on makes me feel like, you know, I don't know. We'll have to see. And I'm wearing these shoes. Here. But I brought in 2 on accident. So I need to go back to the van. Brought 2 the same ones because Dustin have the same shoe. So, yay. Look who's back. Look who's here.
Where was I?
You were gone.
Getting ready?
Yesterday, you weren't with me.
Oh.
But now we're reunited. And we're going on a little date. Date night. Where are we going?
The state? But a speakeasy. I don't know how to say it. Because they call it something different.
You don't know how to say it? What are you doing to your finger?
I was mixing it.
Oh. We're going to a speakeasy.
It's like Veuve Noir or something like that.
Veuve Noir. Noir, like the wine?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Cool. Am I dressed down? No?
Just as casual.
More whiskey on the rise. Excited. Ready to go? Gonna go.
Chug it.
Cheers. Hi.
Yeah.
Why are you using toilet paper? Okay,
I don't want to mess with
yellow lights, I'm not loving them. There we go. So many yellow lights. Hi. We're saying goodnight. We had a wonderful night at the speakeasy that we're not allowed to speak about. Honestly, they had no phones, so definitely no cameras. Glad I didn't bring this, but we had a blast. Ate some really good food.
Just appetizers.
Appetizers, but really good appetizers. Top of the line. 10 out of 10. Great drinks. And now we're just gonna wash up, get ready for bed, and see you tomorrow, because tomorrow
early in the AM
is a build day. And you'll see us our huge of Home Depot.
Because we missed it so much.
We missed Home Depot. We did.
Did you?
Every day.
Really?
No, definitely.
We'll see about that tomorrow.
I think that I've been gone from it for so long that I wouldn't mind walking around it. But even yesterday when we went in, I was like, all right, let's wrap it up, fam. We don't need to walk around Home Depot. But yes, we're going to go to bed. Oh, Destiny's doing a nice little skincare routine for you guys.
Since you've been hogging it.
Yeah, I've been doing great. I've been washing my skin twice a day and I feel amazing. Love it. Anyways, good night.
Good night.
We'll see you in the morning.
Hours.